can use Buzz Calendar to stay on top of your activities and due dates. You can open the calendar from your main menu and choosing the Calendar Success tool. From here, you can filter activities by day, week, month, or all. You can easily review events across the weeks and months using the back and forward buttons. You can also jump to the current date here. You can sync with a Google Calendar as well, and this will give you the information on how to do that. I can view my announcements or get help. I can also choose which activities from courses I want to see. I could deselect activities and courses that I want to be hidden and only view those that I'm ready for. The calendar displays the actual activity itself. You can click on the activity and it will take you directly into that course and the activity that it was originally placed. Different courses will be designated by different colors. You can see also that a date that has an activity listed will have a dot underneath it. I can choose those dates and it will show me the activities from those specific courses.